In this video, I'm going to teach you how to bold text in Elementor. In order to do that, what you can do is you first need to head over to elementor.com, and into this part, you can click onto this Get Started option in order to create an account, or click onto this Login option in order to log into one. Since I already have an account, let me head over and log in. Now, in here is my actual Elementor editor. So for example, let's head over and add in here a text. You can add a text or you can also add text editor depending on your liking. For example, let's add heading and then let's also add text editor in order to show you what it will look like as well. So as you can see, we have heading and we have text editor, and let's make bold text out of them. Click on, for example, the heading first, head over to the style, and in here you can see the blend mode, alignments, and likes. You can actually click onto the typography right here, and you can see its size, weight, line height, spacing, and the likes. For example, as of right now, the weight is 600, which is semi-bold. Let's change that into 700 in order to make it bold. Or you can also make this 800 or 900, depending on your liking. So let's also do the same thing into our text editor. Click on the icon, and from in there, it actually is not the same. You can just select all of this right here that you can see. Click onto this bold icon or click on the Control B on there. And as you can see, it's already bold through that part. If you head over right here to your style and click on the typography, you can also change the weight right here that we have. Let's change it, and as you can see, it's been changed from there as well. So you can do the same thing on the text editor that you have on the heading in here. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.